The name is Zeke. Don't get it wrong. Once he grows up, you guys better watch out. He's coming for you.
Welcome back to the grind where we make it shine. It's your boy Romanovich, auto surgeon. We are back at it. Finally going to be spraying the front bumper and the fender for the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. This is a very exciting moment. Last episode will be linked down in the description. We painted the hood completely. It looks really good. Only thing we got to do is take a little bit of trash out, so sanding and buffing, but that's no big deal. We got some great weather right now, so we're going to go ahead and push forward to get these sprayed. So let's go ahead and get moving. Everything's been tack cloth, sprayed with bulldog adhesive. That's why 5 minutes and start our paint job. First coat is down. Did a really light one. Definitely don't want to get any runs or anything like that. Just keeping it smooth all the way around. There we go. Here's the fender. You guys can see right there, it's really light, you can still see through. Sure, we're gonna get that covered with the next 2 coats. I believe I'm gonna do 3 coats of paint and then go 2 to 3 coats of clear, just for buffing purposes, just in case if any dirt gets in. But so far it's going great. Let's go ahead and wait 15 minutes, spray again. All right, here is coat 2. Came out really nice and smooth. Gonna go ahead and let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes and then come back, and then we're gonna spray our first clear coat.
Hey guys, this is the next day. Sorry it got so dark and it's already getting dark again. Finally just was able to get home from work, so let's go ahead and check out our product.
Here's the front bumper. Here's how it turned out. For some reason, I just didn't feel like it was spraying as good as the other time, the other day. I mean, it still went down pretty good, but I think the clear coat just did not come out the best. Definitely a little bit of dirt, but that's no problem, you know, we can always take that out. Here's the actual hood. It's been curing for 3-4 days now, and it's coming out really good. Still gotta, of course, buff it. Here's this one, the fender. Came out pretty well. Of course, a lot less trash here than the front bumper itself. So we're gonna have to buff it out just a little bit.
But overall, I want to say I'm really happy with this paint job. Of course, you know, if you don't have a perfect environment where you can spray and not be able to get any trash, then you will get trash, you know. But most of the time you still get trash, either a lot or a little. So, you know, this way I can learn how to do both things at once: paint, sand, and buff, I guess. But nobody wants to buff, you know, but it's all right, no problem. I'm just glad that it's matching up pretty well with the actual car paint. There's not too much metallics, so hopefully whenever this rain stops and we get a normal day, hopefully this Saturday we'll be able to actually start putting it all together and putting it back on the car, so that way we can actually see it on the car, and then we'll give you guys a reveal of all the parts on there.
Alright guys, as you guys may be able to, maybe the camera catches all the colors, but I believe I sprayed a little bit too many coats on the hood. I think I went 3 coats, and so it became a little bit darker color, but that's no worries. We're gonna see what happens after we buff and polish it and everything like that. But this fender and the front bumper came out pretty good, much better for sure. Of course, we're still gonna have to buff it all out, get all the dirt out of it, but that's no worries. But she's finally coming together. My brother's happy. Myself, I'm happy that we're actually able to fully put it together. As you guys can see, we're gonna have to sand it down right there. It doesn't have the full gloss or all the way around, so, but hey, she's coming along. It's perfect.
All right guys, I also have a pretty crazy surprise for you. You guys stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Here's our newest member to the family. Beautiful little guy. Come on, Zeke. Come here. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. So this is our little guy that has joined the family. So happy to have him. He's going to be helping us build some cars. His motivation is gonna be great for us. He's a pit bull mix. Beautiful guy. Love him. The name is Zeke. Don't get it wrong. Once he grows up, you guys better watch out. He's coming for you. But yeah, that's going to be a wrap up for this video. Really appreciate all you guys' support. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button to see more of Zeke and of our builds together. Hope to catch you guys next time. Peace. Boom.